Alright, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you this MT16 vlogging tripod. My absolute favorite tripod that I've bought so far. I've only ran through about 2 or 3 of them, but I don't think I'll ever go with another one. Maybe something smaller. But this thing right here is perfect for what I have. So it's this, I don't know, this looks about 6-8 inches. I don't know how long this is, but it's a little bigger than, you know, some tripods, but it's very sturdy. It has this ball head that you adjust right here on the side. You adjust it with this screw, and so you can move the ball head around. It's pretty sturdy looking. And then if you want to screw something in and you want to adjust it, you just screw it like that, or you can just turn it. So it has a cold shoe mount on the side, which is very handy for, see, I'm using this light here. I want to put this light on this. I would just put it on the side. I'm not going to do it right now, but yes, you have a ball head, and it's telescopic. So it extends, and this is very strong, very sturdy. I think this is a great quality product, in my opinion. This is, you know, it has different levels of adjustment. It's pretty firm, pretty sturdy. I've had it for about 2 months now, and I really love it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I use. This is my GoPro I'm using to record right now, but I usually have it in this cage, and this cage has a screw thread at the bottom. So I just screw in my GoPro, I turn it like that, and then I'll line it up, make sure it's straight, and I'll just turn it with this little, so I can have it straight. Make sure I keep the ball head tightened, and there I have my GoPro. I just use it like this. This is very long. It goes out pretty far. You see, versus my arm. I have about, each one of my arms is about 3 feet. So this is pretty, this is pretty long. Yeah, it comes with this thing. So if you have your GoPro, you just put your GoPro in this, in between there, and then you screw it in at the bottom. Let me show you. This has a thread at the bottom. So you just screw it in here. It's way quicker doing it that way with the screw thing right here. Screw it there. Take your GoPro, and I like this bolt to be on the side that has the mic, so where I won't have to, you know, turn the door, take the door off. I like the bolt to be on that side. So make sure you remember to make sure the bolt is on that side, or no, the opposite side, because when you screw this in here, okay, you screw this in like this. You want this bolt to be on the side where you can easily access it, because you don't want it to be obstructing anything. So you have your GoPro like that, and if you want to, you can turn it around and then just straighten it up. And that's how you would use that. So I definitely recommend this product. I give this like a 9 out of 10. Only thing I wouldn't give it a 10 for is because it's a little bigger, but I really like it. I like it a lot. You can adjust the ball head and then lock the ball head in that position so it won't move. But yeah, if you have a GoPro, definitely recommend. Even with the normal camera, this will work. So definitely recommend you getting something like this for your GoPro setup. It's super useful. I'm sure there's some good tripods out there too, but I really like this one. I have another thing that I put onto this. It's for my phone. I just put my phone on here, and I can set up if you want to make some TikToks or you want to make some Instagram reels, you just put your phone up there like that, and there you have it. So yeah, that's it for this review. Hopefully you guys make the right decision with what you want. I'm just here to show you how this all works. So thank you for watching. Peace.